I decided to go into teaching for two main reasons. Reason number one is I have a deep passion for the subject of mathematics. I find mathematics to be fun, to be beautiful, and I'm very enthusiastic about it. And whenever I meet with students, the enthusiasm's all over my face. And some of them, they start poking fun at me, saying like, "We get it, Louie. Like, I know you love this." And the second reason being that I wanted a career where I felt like I was contributing to my community. I didn't really want to work a job where I just felt like I was kind of working for the man, making the man richer. I wanted to do something that I felt had a lot of meaning to it. And I find teaching mathematics to be very, very meaningful. The most important thing about being an inspiring teacher is caring about what you do. Students can read immediately the teachers that are just there for a paycheck and the teachers who are enthusiastic about their jobs. And students clearly respond the most positively to the teachers that care about their jobs. And I know personally myself, I was no stellar student growing up, but the teachers that I gave 100% effort for were the teachers that showed me how much they cared about my progress in my academics.